Hello friends, welcome back to VOCAB Jam. We are back again with a new word to add to your vocabulary. Let us learn the word ensemble today. What does it mean? It means a small group of musicians, dancers or actors who perform together. It can also mean a number of things considered as a group or a single unit. To help you understand better, let's check out few similar words. A group, a band, a unit or a whole thing. Now let us see how can we form sentences using the word ensemble. Let us take the first example. A beautiful story told by a powerful ensemble cast, which means the story was narrated by the skillful entire cast. Let us take another example. The missing hat completed the ensemble costume, which means the costume looked complete after adding the hat. So here's the video guys. We will see you soon with another interesting word. Till then, bye bye and take care.